how to reset Swann DVR to factory reset. Now, if you still have access to the system, you need to connect the DVR to the monitor, and then you just have to open the main menu. Now, when the main menu is opened in front of you, the interface is going to look something like this. Over here, you need to first of all go to the settings, then look for the option of system. Now, inside the system, look for the option of maintenance, then look for the option of default settings. You can also go to the configuration section and then look for the option of factory default depending on your model. Now you just have to select the option of restore or reset factory settings, and then you just have to confirm the reset. Now the DVR will restart automatically after the process finishes. Now some of the Swann DVR models include the hidden reset button. So as it can be seen here in this particular image, the reset button will be available with the name reset, or it can be like a power on button. So you just have to simply press and hold that reset button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it until the system restarts or until you hear a beep. Now not every model includes a physical reset button, so you need to check carefully around the ports and the ventilation areas. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.